Christopher, taking a look at our Xbox Series X here. For the most part, everything here looks like it's in pretty good shape. I do notice that our system has been opened at least once before. We've got a warranty sticker removed there, and that screw has probably been removed. And we've got that warranty sticker still on the bottom, but this up here definitely makes me think that the system's been opened once before. Looking down the third of our HDMI port there, I can see that there is a copper pin that's been pushed off on the far right side. There's a gap here on the bottom, and then there's a chip on the left hand side. So all of that is a pretty good indicator that we're going to have an HDMI port issue. I'm not going to put in an HDMI cable just because there's visible damage to that HDMI port. But I am going to power on our system, make sure everything's behaving as we would expect it would. And already I was anticipating that this should power on and stay on, and it's not doing that for me. That was weird the first time, it didn't stay on. I don't know if it just wasn't plugged in long enough. Well, it looks to be running stable now. Looks like we might have a disc on the inside. We do. And it looks like we got a copy of Resident Evil 2, so we'll have to make sure that we get that back to you guys. A little smudge on the back. We'll make sure we get this disc cleaned up before we get it back home. System does look like it is powered and stable now, though. I'm gonna pair an Xbox controller. Hit the sync button there. Hit the sync button there. It does appear to have synced in just fine. I know this is a PS5 controller. I'm just using it to test our port here. You can tell that our port is giving us just over 5 volts there, and we're getting a trickle charge off of it, which is fine, because I'm pretty sure that PlayStation controller is fully charged. Back port on top is giving me the same, just as well as the bottom one. Okay, so I'm just going to insert a random game, just because I want to see that this is taking and ejecting a disc just fine. I'll turn off the fan I have in the background. Just want to see if I can hear it spinning up. I don't hear it spinning up, but there's a couple of reasons why that could be. It definitely does take and eject just fine. And no problems there. So I think we're looking at a pretty straightforward HDMI port replacement here. I'll go ahead and shoot you out an estimate, and we'll ask for permission to open up the system, and we'll go ahead and proceed with the repair.